Welcome to Hellistoke Garage. We're back again with Kai Bug, never smug. Hey, you're in the frame.
Shut up.
And today we're installing the Corbin Solo seat. It's so beautiful. How beautiful is it?
It's pretty.
Say it's a gorgeous.
No.
Alright. So, Kyra.
Yeah. Read that? Which part?
I don't know.
One?
First of all, we're going to pull this off, right?
Begin by removing your stock seat. Refer to your owner's manual if necessary.
There's that.
Remove the pin in the front and the bolt in the rear.
Okay. You show them what pin and bolt. I'll get a wrench.
Well, I see this thing. This comes with a heater?
No, you can get it with a heater.
Oh.
Alright, there's the front bolt, right?
Yeah. Well, the front pin.
So you want me to remove the front pin?
Yeah.
Alright. That was really tough. There's the front pin. Now what? Back bolt? Where's the back bolt?
I don't know, I can find it. It's in the back. Using a 10mm combination wrench, disconnect the battery negative terminal.
10 millimeter?
Yeah.
What about a 10 mic?
No.
Say 10 mic.
10 mic. Sin City.
Sin City. Alright. What, this one right here? That looks negative.
Disconnect the battery negative terminal.
It looks negative to me.
Yeah.
Now what? Oh, there's a hole here. Ah. It's starting to make sense now. See what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. You gonna attach it?
I think.
Okay. Good. You're not supposed to put that seat on hard surfaces.
Why?
It said not to, remember?
I do remember. This is fucking weird. Soon. This goes behind it. Right? Are you up in there? Come on.
I don't know, I can't see what you're talking about.
Look at this bolt hole back here. You have to turn the camera a little bit.
Oh, I see it.
So that's where this deal goes in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Jeez Louise. Papa cheese. Let me make sure this is going to line up. Looks like it.
So you're just gonna like pop it down until it holds in place?
Don't put it on hard surfaces.
Nope. Put it in like your driveway.
Alright, so you gotta get this bracket in, right?
Mm-hmm. And then you just pop it in.
Which is really
Hard?
It is.
But you got big fingers.
That is freaking wiring. Ugh.
I can't push it down.
Damn wiring's fighting me. Of course, it's all positive wires. You don't want that to ground out. So the key to that is definitely push those frickin' wire bundle down so you can get some tension off this bracket, you know?
Mm-hmm. Is it in?
That's in.
That looks small.
Said every girl ever.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
Tight fit.
Yeah. Shit. Let me get this bolt in here. Well, I tell you what, they didn't give you much room in here at all to play with. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Did you get it though?
I got it. Now let's just make sure.
It's not wiggly?
Yeah. Wiggly. Okay, nothing seems wiggly.
So I'm putting my finger here and I'm twisting this little part here because my wife has no idea what she's looking at here. My daughter's going to try. Yeah, nope, not strong enough. Well, if you come over here and play with this little thingamajiggy, stick your hand here. Well, put your... I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So I bought this $1,100 Corbin seat and I think it's going to snap on there. Let me see. How's this go on there? Let's see. Does it go on the bolt? Snap it? Nope, doesn't fit. Fuck. Bought the wrong seat for my bike, I think. I don't know, my wife's gonna kick my ass if I muscle this strong enough, maybe. Oh, nope. So close. Oh.
Okay, that was Sarah. She wanted a go at the voiceover for this because, I mean, what happened was the microphone basically dropped. And the audio was unusable, so we got the seat installed, got it latched down, and just taking a look at it, and man, it looks good. It just looks so much better than that stock seat on that bike. The black on black with the black stitching, and just can't get enough of looking at it. So here, I think is when I tell Kyra, let's grab the keys and let's show everyone, how easy it is with the keys. Let's take it off and put it back on, and don't give them to me. There you go. Yeah, that really sucked about that audio. I don't even know what happened. So pop it off. There it is. So basically with the seat, the instructions for this bracket are real vague. I mean, you can see in the pictures that where it's supposed to basically be mounted, there's a hole in the back, and it shows you how to use the spacer and put the screw in. But you got to get that wire tucked down pretty far. And then the other bolt goes through where the negative wires go to the frame. So they supply that bolt also, and then that lip goes underneath the front. and then wedge it in there pretty good, and then you just got to give it a good pop. So yeah, I mean it looks great, it fits great. You get 2 keys with it, and I can't wait to get some miles on it. So if you like this video, click like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. We're going to be installing the passenger seat and the passenger seat backrest.
Son of a bitch!